Today at ET Infra's Roads and Highway Summit, we are joined by Honorable Kesari Dev Singh Chhalaji. He is a member of Parliament and also member of Standing Committee on Transport. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate you, and it was nice hosting you out here at ET Infra's Roads and Highway Summit. I just wanted to know what is your takeaway from the summit. You interact with a lot of other members and stakeholders. How was the experience?
Well, thank you very much. It was a pleasure to be part of this ET Infra Roads Highway Summit, hosted here very nicely today. It was a great opportunity today to not just interact with the government part of the group, such as the Honorable Minister and the Secretary and the BRO General, who are here to discuss their respective areas. But it was also good to be part of a very in-depth and good discussion on by various stakeholders as to how the roads and highways industry sector of the country is moving ahead. What are the challenges? What are the issues facing the sectors? And how the roads and highways is overall helping the development of the country and making India, connecting India, the furthest last mile connectivity, and bringing the development of the rest of the country into the main line. So it was a very good and informative summit, and a lot of stakeholders were part of it, and we had information and interaction with all different parts of the sector. So that was a very, very nicely prepared summit that done today by ET Infra.
Sir, one last question. You're a very young and dynamic member of the Parliament. Now, going ahead, you are keenly, focused on the road sector. But the other aspects of the road sector, we have talked about, the high-speed corridors coming in, also the access control highways. So, as a young dynamic leader, what are the more sort of avenues in terms of the road sector development that India needs to focus on, if you have a view on that?
Well, as you said, I'm a relatively young member of the Rajya Sabha. In my early 40s, I'm a first-term MP. So a lot of what is happening now is also a very a good and fast learning curve for me. But as you said very rightly, there are a lot of aspects of the road development that's taking place in the country. The foundations over the last 10 to 11 years, led by the Honorable Prime Minister's visionary leadership, have brought India into a global stage. The upcoming part of the future development, as you have very rightly pointed out, will be more related to the maintenance and the quality controls that will be required for the national highways and the roads, because the foundations have already been laid for the vast majority of the infrastructure projects as far as the roads are concerned. The future now will all revolve around being able to tackle the environmental issues and to have infrastructure which is environmentally friendly and also environmentally durable. So these are the things that we will have to look forward to in the future. And as an MP, it will always be my pleasure to learn from the industry, from the various stakeholders, what are the technologies that can be used, what are the technologies being used by the developed countries of the world that we can improve on to improve the scenario of the roads in our country. Definitely.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure having you out here at ET Infra Summit. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.